Good morning, everybody. Actually, it isn't even morning yet. It's 11:15 p.m. Sunday night. Made our delivery way early. It's a drop and hook location. We dropped the trailer. And we're doing a reset. So we didn't worry about grabbing an empty trailer because we got some stuff we got to do today. Gonna go to Volvo, see about getting a new mattress, get some new bedding. We got to do the laundry. We got to take Alizé to the vet, which is where we're at right now. Right there. Banfield Pet Hospital, which is inside PetSmart. We hadn't been to this location, but we've had nothing but excellent service from all the Banfields that we've been to. Plus, we have this healthcare plan. For all intents and purposes, health insurance for dogs. And it's actually really inexpensive. So, this is where we go. We can go to any Banfield in the country, and she's covered. We're getting annoyed with her scratching on the nose. And we have a suspicion she got into something last time we went into Brawley, because that's when all this stuff started. So if it is, it's going to require a little bit of medicine on it, because apparently topical antibiotics ain't getting the job done. Plus, she needs to get her shots updated, which is free with our medical plan. So today is going to be a day of running errands. We'll see what we can get. Hopefully we'll have some good video today. And if I remember, there's something I want to cover on the truck. Just a little bit of, we'll call it educational, but something that a lot of people don't understand with the new diesel system. So hopefully I'll remember to cover that. So that's going to do it for now. I've actually got 2 days worth of editing to do. So I'm going to edit one now, get it rendering, watch a little TV, hopefully it'll be done rendering, and then edit the other one. Yesterday's will be short and easy because I forgot to do an opening. So that's it for right now. It's starting out to be a heck of a morning. Vet couldn't see Alizé, so we got to take her to a different one. Stopped by 2 different truck dealerships, and nobody has any good mattresses in stock. All they have is a chintzy little cheapo, crappy stock mattresses. Except Peterbilt. They did have the memory foam mattress, but those don't work when you're hot bunking. Pretty much somebody's in the bunk all the time, or just about all the time, and it needs 6 to 8 hours to recover from one person to be ready for the next person, or else it ends up developing a well, and it does it rather quickly. We learned that one the hard way by putting memory foam mattress pads on mattress we had in another truck, and after about 2 weeks we ended up with a dip this big in the middle. So right now we're on the way to the other veterinary location, and then we're going to see what we can do about a mattress. What a day. Okay, we got some good news. Alizé's nose issue is just allergy. She got allergic, she itched, she scratched, she got it inflamed. So we got antibiotics for her and stuff like that to treat everything. And we went to a couple of different truck dealerships. No go on the mattress. Oh. Excuse me. Now, let's see. We went by On Target, gun store and range here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Got me some new batteries for my flashlights. They take these CR123s, which are a different kind of battery that you can't just buy everywhere. All my flashlights, except for my rechargeable one, are weapons lights. They're not regular flashlights. That's why they take the different battery. And was thinking about hitting the range a little bit, but lo and behold, some dang fool decided to bring in armor-piercing rounds and blew the backstop on the rifle range all to hell. So I'm not going to just take the handgun only. If I'm going to spend the money on the range, I'm going to do more than just handgun. So thanks to this dang fool and them needing over $40,000 in repairs, no range day today either. And right now Chris is inside Shoe Carnival so we can get her some new tenny runners. She done messed hers up. We go through shoes a lot here on the truck, simply because the way we move around. We just wear shoes out. Especially the pushing portion of the right foot. That gets worn down. So we're gonna go get Chris some new shoes now. Oh, now there we go. I like that color. Ooh, we lunch it out back. Yummy. Got our free bloomin' onion. I had the filet mignon with crab legs. And Chris had the unlimited soup and salad. And we got a full rack of ribs to go. Alice got to eat some leftover mashed potatoes and some bread. And she wants the ribs. We each got us a pair of shoes. And now we're on our way to the laundry to do some serious quantities of laundry and some scrubbing inside the truck. See, even our days off, we ain't off. It's work, 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 get the stuff done that you need to get done, that you can't do any other time, that the people who get to go home every day can take care of when they get home. Ooh, construction over here. So, next couple hours is going to be doing laundry. Closeout time. It's actually Tuesday morning. By the time we got done with everything, 10 o'clock last night. So, a full day of running our butt off, except for having lunch. And cleaning and things like that. We were whooped. I rebuilt Alize's bed. When I did laundry, I washed the cover. And what they use for stuffing in dog beds just absolutely sucks. So I got some high-density close-celled foam. Cut it to fit the different sections and rebuilt her bed, and she's all happy with it. She actually slept in it most of the night. Then she realized, hey, I'm supposed to be sleeping on the bed with them. That was about 4 o'clock this morning. So I'm going to close this one out, get ready to do my editing and everything. We got to go pick up an empty trailer where we dropped our trailer off night before last. And then we're off to Guntersville, Alabama to pick up a load. And then back to Tolleson, Arizona. So, if you liked it, please share. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And we'll be seeing you tomorrow. Bye.